I hate summer so much because it's hot all throughout the day. It's hot and humid. And earlier, I had my air conditioning unit on and I'm still sweating. It is that hot. And during the afternoon, when the sun is already down, I am still sweating. There is no. I'm basically sweating all throughout the day, even right now in the evening when you should be expecting it's kind of cold, but it's not. I feel like when I take a bath later, I'm just going to sweat all throughout the night.
Khas feeling ko. Easy ramen. I'm actually happy that I'm a homebody, so staying indoors is not really much of a problem with me. I just don't like staying in my room since it gets really hot in the afternoon and I had to turn on the air conditioning unit, and there's going to be a surge on electricity. It's going to be much more expensive with the energy crisis right now. And with that energy crisis, the government isn't going to do anything about it as well. They're just going to watch everything burn. It's just sad that most of my salary or most of my budget is going to go to refueling up my car, my bike. And also, an update, I'm currently filming on my DJI Action Cam 3 since my phone's battery is cooked right now. Um, when I'm filming with my phone, I end up charging it 3 times a day, which is not really a good thing to do. Usually, I would charge this once a day. This is a very old phone. Not very old. It's a S23 Ultra, so it's 3 years old right now, and I think the battery is slowly deteriorating. And I don't have plans to upgrade right now, with how tight my budget is. But if my budget is not really tight, I really don't have any plans to upgrade my phone. But Since this is a old model and battery replacement is expensive, might as well upgrade to a new phone. I think with my new phone, I won't be upgrading in the next 3 to 4 years. Hopefully, the battery doesn't deteriorate that much. Filming my vlogs moving forward will be on my Action Cam 3. I would film on my phone occasionally, but not as heavy as before.
Holy fuck, init. Init. Ay, sir, connect na po tayo. Oh, nandito pa rin.
Ano?
Pagas mo,
Oh.
95.
5 liters nga lang eh. Dati 500 puntang
Oh, nag-roll back down ng piso.
piso.
Oo.
Ha?
Nakita ko sa balita rin.
Piso.
Oo, piso lang. Pinakamalaking diesel ata 3 yata. Tignan mo, may space yung sa ano. Pero tama lang kasi pag gumaganon. Yung kay Rian, sobrang luwag. Nakita ko, gumaganon eh. So tama lang pag ganun.
Tama lagi na imposible.
Yung alcohol po. Ay, wala po ba yung nakasisend?
Naming yung sa price niya.
Price check yun, no?